absent, present, about, exactly, accept, refuse, able, unable, active, lazy, add, subtract, adults, children, for, against, alike, different, all, none, allow, forbid, already, not yet, always, never, amateur, professional, ancient, modern, angel, devil, animal, human, answer, question, apart, together, argue, agree, arrest, free, arrival, departure, arrive, leave, arrive, depart, ask, reply, asleep, awake, attack, defend, attic, basement, autumn, spring, awful, nice, background, foreground, beautiful, ugly, before, after, begin, finish, behind, in front of, big, small, birth, death, black, white, boring, exciting, borrow, lend, boy, girl, brave, afraid, break, fix, brother, sister, build, destroy, busy, quiet, buy, sell, calm, excited, careful, careless, catch, miss, ceiling, floor, certainly, probably, clean, dirty, clear, cloudy, clever, stupid, close, open, closed, open, cold, hot, correct, wrong, create, break, cry, laugh, damage, repair, dangerous, safe, dark, light, day, night, deep, shallow, delicious, awful, destruction, construction, difficult, easy, distant, near, drama, comedy, dry, humid, early, late, elementary, advanced, empty, full, enemy, friend, enter, leave, everything, nothing, expensive, cheap, far, near, fast, slow, fat, slim, few, many, find, lose, first, final, forward, backward, freeze, melt, generous, mean, give, take, go, come, good, bad, healthy, sick, hill, plane, horizontal, vertical, ignore, notice, import, export, innocent, guilty, inside, outside, interesting, boring, kind, cruel, lady, gentleman, land, water, lead, follow, light, heavy, like, hate, live, die, loud, quiet, low, high, male, female, man, woman, marry, divorce, mess, order, more, less, morning, evening, much, little, natural, artificial, nephew, niece, nobody, everybody, north, south, odd, even, old, new, on, off, online, offline, parents, children, pass, fail, past, future, patient, impatient, plus, minus, presence, absence, private, public, pull, push, question, answer, rainy, sunny, reduce, increase, remember, forget, rich, poor, right, left, right, wrong, rude, polite, sad, happy, scream, whisper, send, receive, serious, funny, short, long, shout, whisper, silent, noisy, single, married, sink, rise, sit, stand, soft, hard, solid, liquid, some, many, sometimes, often. Soul, body, sour, sweet, spend, save, stand, lie, start, stop, success, failure, sugar, salt, sun, moon, sunny, cloudy, sweet, bitter, take off, land, tall, short, teach, learn, teacher, student, there, here, thin, thick, thirsty, hungry, throw, catch, tight, loose, tiny, huge, top, bottom, true, false, trust, suspect, under, over, up, down, upstairs, downstairs, useful, useless, valley, mountain, village, town, war, peace, warm, cool, well, ill, west, east, wet, dry, whole, part, wide, narrow, wife, husband, win, lose, winter, summer, work, rest, worse, better, worst, best, yes, no, yesterday, tomorrow, young, old,